Hi everyone, my name is Peggy Ployhar. I'm the founder and CEO of SPED Homeschool, but I am also a member of the SPED Homeschool Review Crew. So I'm excited today, I don't get to do this too often, but I'm going to do an unboxing for you, actually an unbagging, of a really unique little product called LegiLiner. And they are self-inking stamps that create lines and boxes and staffs for music even, that you can put on anything because they're just a stamp. And so I'm going to open this up and see what we got. Okay, there's two things that I got in here. The first is has these little boxes, and I'm going to try to get it up to there without too much interference of the camera. There we go. This one creates these little boxes in series with one another. So if you have a student who is just learning to write, trying to keep those spaces between the letters correct and spaces between the words, and they're not writing too much, this might be a good thing. Or you might find a lot of other uses for it too. Us homeschool parents can get really creative, can't we? And the other one is a college ruled. So it draws, and I'm going to try to tip it the right way here, but it draws two little lines, if you can see that without my reflection too much there, but just like that. So let's pop it open and see what it looks like. Isn't that cute? And this is, like I said, it draws two little lines. It even has it on here. So if you own a variety of these and you're trying to figure out which one is the one with two lines, guess what? It's labeled right there. That's convenient, because I know I can try to remember the color, but it's not always processing up here as fast as it needs to. So that's helpful. And then the other one, I do believe it's not written on there as well. Yes, it has the little boxes right here. So, and like I said, they're self-inking stamps, so you can refill these. It's even less expensive to get the refills, which is awesome because we want to be saving as much money as we can as homeschooling parents, because we don't have the big budgets that school districts have, and that's okay, because we can individualize our education for our kids. But I'm going to use this and try it out. I'll come back with a review, but this is just, ooh, that's fun. Okay, so that's that stamp. And then this is, that's hard, easy to get off. Might be good when you have little kids that that's not easy to get off, or if you throw it in a drawer that it's not going to come off right away. I'm going to try to do this. Okay. There we go. And the great thing is you can even do that. Woohoo! We can be really creative. So yes, there's lots of different things. I'm going to just introduce you briefly to her website at LegiLiner.com too. These products were created by an occupational therapist for her own needs, just to help students to be able to write within certain spaces. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to go through that really quick. So on here, she has a lot of information, some videos, just seeing them in action, kind of what I just did with you, and then they give back to the community, which is amazing. Here's just a couple of the different ones. You can see that they have dotted line ones, some with the 3-line, if you're used to that format. But something else I discovered on her website was that she has a free resources tab and a whole lot of free downloads that can help with handwriting. So you can actually use this as an entire handwriting curriculum if you wanted to. And then she has prompts in there on what to write in those spaces. And you can see some of them have much smaller spaces. So of course you're going to use those with more advanced writers. Some of them have really large spaces, like this one here, and you can use some of the bigger stamps with that. So anyways, even coloring and lots of other things. So so I encourage you to check out LegiLiner.com, and the information, the link will be down in the description. And then join me back here in another week or so with the review. So thanks for watching and joining us here on the SPED YouTube channel, and watching us on the review crew, as well as all the other content that we have here. Bye, everyone.